So now you better understand invisible problems. You understand how they've impacted other people. Now it's time to look at your life, your history, pains that you've experienced, traumatic moments in your life, and see if there are any invisible problems affecting you today. See, sometimes not wanting to be successful at marketing isn't about the marketing or the marketing behavior. Maybe you learned something a long, long time ago that was bad about the profession of marketing or sales. And those things are keeping you from being able to really move your life forward. Maybe when it comes to health and fitness, you don't really have a health and fitness problem. You have a relationship problem. And there's something about you that doesn't want to look as good as you can because it would mean you'd be vulnerable in relationships. One day I was in Walmart and this tall, slim guy in his early 60s and his really, really severely overweight wife were walking through. And I hypothesized in my mind that she let herself go. And I'm not talking about slightly overweight. I mean significantly overweight. I hypothesized in my mind that this woman allowed herself to be that way so her husband wouldn't want to touch her. Now, that's my hypothesis. See, over and over again, I've read stories, read articles, listened to people talk about how in order to not trust, to not be vulnerable in a relationship, they purposefully do things to not be attractive to their partner, to not be available to their partner, to not be there in the relationship. See, that's not a relationship issue as much as it is a personal trust, a personal being willing to be vulnerable issue. And it doesn't matter what you do in relationships until that element of the invisible problem that person faces is dealt with. They will never truly have a good relationship. As you heard from my story. And I could go on and on about different ways, but the bottom line is you, my friend, have to take a look at your life history. Those moments when you felt such pain and despair, and you might have said something like, I'm never going to put myself in this position again. Those are the type of times you want to look at to see how those things might be impacting your life today. You may not have a marketing issue, a health and fitness issue, a spending money issue. You may have some invisible problem you never knew existed that is killing you and killing your success, killing your joy, killing your happiness today. This is why I am your biggest supporter and why I want to help you win the civil war within. Because if you don't win that war, be it from an invisible problem or just not wanting to do what it takes to be successful, until you win that war, it doesn't matter how many formulas like this you learn. It doesn't matter how many diet and exercise programs you learn, how many budget and spending and investing programs. None of that matters until you can win the civil war within.